Good morning children. Today start the class for 5th standard maths. Unit 1 is completed for last class. Shall I move now? Unit 2 numbers. Number is given in your textbook estimation. Previous class I give the introduction. Shall I move now? Exercise number 2.1. Write in your classwork children Unit 2 numbers. Exercise number 2.1 estimation. The value which is nearest to the correct value is called its estimated value. The symbol for estimation is, this is the symbol we use for estimation. Other word denoting estimate are about, approximate, nearby. These three other words is used to estimation: about, approximate, nearby. The next one, able to estimate a number up to 2 digit. How many numbers digit is here used? 2 digit number estimation. Estimate a number to our desired number is called the estimation. Exercise number 2.1, fill in the blanks. Estimation of 27 to its nearest tens place. So first you check whether ones place value. This number is ones place is here 7. So number for 27. So ones place value for 7. So this 7 is compared to 5. 5 here 7. So 5 greater than number 7. So you write for next tens value. Here number for tens value 2. So next 10 is 3. To next number 3. So 30 is the estimation value. I give some example. You want to buy one pen. That pen cost is 27 rupees. So you how to pay? You just give for 30 rupees. Then you get back for return balance 3 rupees. That is for nearest value. So you pay the amount. How much to nearest tens rupees? That is called here tens place value. Nearest tens place value. Okay. Then second one sum. Estimation of 65 to its nearest tens place. So 65, ones place value is 5. So this number 5 compared to 5. Only you check whether estimation ones place value. So here 5, but you compare for 5 is the estimation value 5. 5 is greater number, you should write for after tens, or 5 less than number is coming here, you put for before tens. Okay, that's why you check whether 5. So this is 5 and 5 is equal, same number. So same number also you should do right for next one tens value. Here tens value for 6. This is the ones value 5, tens value for 6. So after 10, 6 after 10, 6 after number 7. So write the answer is 70. Third one sum. The cost of 1 kilogram pomegranate rupees for 93 rupees. Then estimated cost is. Here asking for 93 rupees. So check whether ones place value. Ones place value is 3. But you compare check to 5. Ones place value is here 3. But you check 5. 3 is smaller number. 5 is a greater number. 3 is a smaller number. So you should write before tens or same tens. So here use for 9. So give for 90 rupees and 3 rupees balance coins is also you available to pay. So 93 rupees. So nearest tens is saying here 90, 91, 92, 93. But next 10 you should write for 100. 100 is the last is longest. 100 is reach the counting for 7 times count after only you reach for 100, but 90 is only 3 times you count, easy to reach for tens place. That's why here saying for 90 is a nearest tens place value. Okay. The next one, fourth one, Sam. Estimation of 76 bananas to its nearest tens place. So here number for ones place is 6. So you compare with 5. So 5 compare 6. 6 is greater number. So you should write for next tens. 7 after number 8. So 80 is the next nearest place. So only 74 after 76 after 77, 78, 79, 80. But before counting you say for 75, 74, 73, 72, 71, 70. That's counting is more. But nearest for 80. 80 for only 3 count after you reach for 80. That is saying here nearest tens place value. Okay. The next one, word problem. There are 27 girls and 38 boys in a class. Find the sum and estimate the sum to its nearest tens place. So here given for number of boys and number of girls. So you should write now first step. Number of boys is 38, number of girls is 27. So asking the question in a class, students, find the sum. Sum means total. So you find out now 38 plus 27. Do now addition. So 8 plus 7, 15. Carry over 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 65. So total number of students is here for 65 students. But asking for nearest tens place value. So the estimation, the sum of 2, its nearest tens place for 65, 5 is greater number or equal number. So then next tens. So 70. So the estimate the sum to its nearest tens place. So number is 65. So nearest tens for 70. Okay children. Next one, third sum. Read the question carefully. If the cost of a geometry box is 53 rupees and the cost of a notebook is 36 rupees, then estimate their cost to its nearest tens place and find the sum. Also, find the difference between the estimated value and the actual value. So here given for you want to buy the things, anyone thinks, you go to shop, stationery shop, buy the things. That amount you tally to get for how much you round off value given to the shopkeeper and get to the things. That is here used to estimation topic for unit 2 numbers. So first one, geometry box cost is given here. Actually box cost for 53 rupees. Actually box cost is 53 rupees. That is actual value. But you estimate for nearest tens place. So 53. 3 is a smaller number. So you write for same tens. So 50. Difference is 53. 50. What is the difference? 3 rupees is a difference. Then next one, cost of notebook for 36 rupees. So that is a accurate value. That is called for actual value 36 rupees. But you estimate for 6 here for ones place. So 5 after number here. So you should write for next tens. So tens place is 3. Next 10 for 40. 4. So 40. So 36 and 40 rupees. What is the difference? difference for 4 rupees. Okay, but as the sum for do for nearest, estimate their value for do for sum. The tens place, nearest tens place, find the sum. Sum means you do for add. 53 plus 36 you get for 89 rupees. 50 plus 40 you get for 90. So what is the difference? How much? Only 1 rupee is the difference. Only 1 rupee is the difference. Estimated value is 90 rupees. Difference between estimated value to actual value. In your question, find the difference between estimated value and the actual value. So that is find out for finally. So estimated value is 90, actual value is 89. So what is the difference? 90 subtract 89, only 1 rupee. 1 rupee is the difference. Same method. Next one, Sam. Read carefully. If Kavita has 93 picture and she gave 42 picture to her friend Neela, then estimate the pictures to its nearest tens place and find their difference. Also, find the difference between actual value and the estimated value. So, Kavita has 93 picture and she give for 42 picture to her friend Neela. Then estimate the pictures into nearest tens place. So find out the difference. Before the sum given to you sum, find the sum. But here given for difference. So first you draw the tabular column. First one is what are the things. Here given for Neela and Kavita is having the pictures. So write the names only Kavita and Neela. So find out the values for difference. That's why I write here difference. So actual value you know. Kavita is having for 93 pictures. Give it to Neela 42 pictures. So this is for actual pictures values. So 93, 42. But you do for difference. So do the subtraction. So you get the answer is 51 rupee. 51. Then next one, estimated value. So 93 nearest value tens for 93 nearest tens 90. 42 nearest tens 40. So 90 subtract 40 you get for 50. Then next one, last column you do for difference. So 93 subtract 90 is difference is 3. 42 difference compared to 40 2. But 51 50 difference is 1. So difference is 50 rupees. Estimated the difference is 50 rupees. 50 pictures. 50 pictures. Then next one, difference between actual value and estimated value. Find their difference. So difference is find out for 51 is actual value, estimated value is 50. Then find also the difference between actual value and estimated value. So that's why I do now. Difference is 50 pictures. Difference between actual value and estimated value. So actual value is 51. Estimated value is 50. So what is the difference? Only one picture. So difference is 51. So 51 is the actual value. Estimated value is 50. So here you get the value is 1. Okay, exercise example sums. Estimated sum, difference and product and quotient. This is used to estimation value for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. 4 methods used to 2-digit number. First one sum. The cost of 1 kg apple for 95 rupees. cost of 1 kg 48 rupees of guava. Then they estimated the cost to nearest tens place and find their sum. Also find the difference between estimated sum and actual sum. So here the cost of 1 kg of apple, cost of 1 kg of guava. 1 kg of apple is 95 rupees, that is the actual value. 95 nearest tens is the estimated value, so 100. Then next one, guava is 48 rupees, so actual value is 48, estimated value is ones place is 8, so you write for next tens 50. So you find out this sum, here given for find out for sum. So you do the addition, added and get for 143, 150. But here asking for difference between the estimated sum and actual sum. So difference between values to find out here, estimated value minus actual value. Estimated value is 150 rupees but actual value is 143 rupees. So you get the balance is 7 rupees. This one balance how much you want to get here now, that is do for estimation. Then next one, book exercise example sum. If the cost of notebook is 42 rupees and the cost of pen is 27 rupees, then estimate their cost nearest to tens place and find their difference. Also the difference, find the difference between the estimated value and actual value. So you write now, the cost of notebook is 42 rupees, the cost of pen is 27 rupees. So 42 nearest tens for 40, 27 nearest tens for 30. So this is the estimation amount. So you do now difference. What is the difference both of them? So cost for notebook is 42 rupees but cost of rupees pen is 27 rupees. So difference is 15. So here 40 subtract 30, 10 rupees is the difference. So actual value, compare that pen and notebook. So which one is here costly? Easy to you find out the number 42 and 27. Notebook for 42 rupees, that is the biggest amount. But how much is here difference for this compared to pen? பென்னை கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது நோட்புக் உடைய ரேட் எவ்வளோ இருக்குது அதிகமாக அப்படின்னு நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம். அதுதான் 15 rupees அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஸோ ஆக்சுவல் வேல்யூவோட எஸ்டிமேட்டட் வேல்யூ நம்ம ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணுறோம். ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணும்போது 15 subtract 10, so you get the difference is 5 rupees. The next one model is used to multiplication. If the cost of 1 meter cloth is 86 rupees, cost of 1 meter cloth is 86 rupees, then estimate its cost nearest to tens place and find the cost of 5 meter cloth. So this is for do the multiplication. 1 meter cloth is 86 rupees but 5 meter cloth means you do for multiply by 5. So 86 multiplied by 5 equal to 430, but you do for 86 rupees round of value nearest tens place. 86 nearest tens place is 90. So 90 multiplied by 5. So easy to find out, 450. So therefore the cost of 5 meter cloth is rupees 450. That is the estimated nearest tens value. In your book exercise sums, third sum and fourth sum is due for, third sum is addition, fourth sum is subtraction, then fifth one sum is due for multiplication. The cost of pen is 32 rupees. Find the cost of 6 pens and estimate to the nearest tens place value. Try to do this one, fifth one sum, children. Remaining sums we will learn next class. Thank you, children.